Hello everyone, I am Tanmay Kanapati with student ID 200447206. This presentation is regarding as a part of our assignment. So the assignment is basically to develop a web application in which the post or the message which we do it through our web application, it should get reflected in the social networking sites or social sites. So here I've considered the social sites as Twitter and Facebook. So for this, the technologies which I've used is the Visual Studio Code for the coding, and the API is Flask and Python. So whatever the post that gets reflected in the Twitter and Facebook, it should automatically get saved in the database as well. So data models are basically the entities in the DBMS. They basically define how the data is connected to each other and how they are processed and stored inside the system. So for the Facebook, I've used post and time. For the Twitter, I've used tweet and time. So now let's get back to the code for the Twitter. So here in this code, firstly we need to create a app directory in which the file main.py. Here actually the main code goes. So in the main page, we need to list all the tweets we have, and we need to grab the current email ID for that. So in this, I've created a function called tweet list. In this list, we need to get the tweet records and print them accordingly. So for that, we need to loop over the records. So I've created a class called tweet. In this, we need to display the message and time and with the corresponding row index. For example, if we tweet more than two records, it should be like one and second record and the first record accordingly. So here, I've used enumerate keyword because as it assigns the index to each item automatically, so it would be easy. So when coming to the HTML page here, I have created my own styling for the web application to get developed, and I've used the form because I have the submit buttons to get the action to be done. So and also in this function add tweet, I need to get the request from the form. If the submit button is clicked, the request should redirect into this, and if there is no message or if there is no time or if there is no password, and it should print an error message. If not, it should post to the corresponding site. So and also the one more condition which I've gave is if the length of the message is greater than this particular length, then it should print messages too long. And how we get the time date, for that I took the object as datetime object and wrote the code accordingly. So let's see how the code is. Set flask underscore app equal to app main dot run the flask. So let's go to this link. Flask mode should be running. So yeah. So the Twitter details, I'll give mining. Let's give mining. And the time would be is 22nd. And the time, that's 16:29. Password. So here the tweet got posted. So now let's go into the Twitter and check whether it got posted in the Twitter or not. It got posted in the Twitter as well. Now let's go into the database and check whether it got saved in the database or not. Let's start on Twitter. So the mining got reflected and got saved in the database. So now let's check for the Facebook app too, how it is getting posted and how it is getting saved in the database. So let's run this. Set task app. So I wanted to post on Facebook post this and the time 22 40. So it got posted here. So now let's go and check in the Facebook as well. This is my account. So it got posted in the account as well. So now let's go back into the database and check whether it got saved in the database or not. So here we need to give select star from let's execute this query to check if this got saved or not. And it got saved. So the thing is, whatever we post through the web application, it should get posted into the sites like Twitter and Facebook. So it is done.